counselor and you've stumbled upon this video and you're looking to upgrade your skill set and you're looking for the right direction in which you can enhance your skills, become a much more confident therapist, and bring transformative results to your clients, you have landed at just the right place. I'm Vishali and I'm the founder of at Psyche Unlock Psychology, and we here create confident, skilled therapists who can bring transformative results for your clients. And today I am going to be interviewing one of our PDP trainees. PDP is Psyche's signature program, and yes, her name is Mahima, and we will listen to Mahima's story from how did Mahima go about becoming a super skilled, confident counselor today, taking up around 5 clients right after PDP and paid clients. Let's go, guys. Let's actually hear from Mahima's story. And till then, all of you can tell me in the chat box, what are you currently doing? What brings you to Psyche's stage? And yeah, anything, any questions that you might have for me or Mahima. All right, guys, I have accepted Mahima's request. Let's see what happens. All right. Till then, tell me, what are you currently doing? Are you a psychology student? Are you a psychology professional? What is happening so far? Okay, it's not letting me accept her request. Mahima, are you joining from phone or from laptop? Let's see. Not sure why it's not letting. Psychology student. Okay, tell me more. Phone, you should be able to join. Are you able to see my request? Let me send it to you again. Awesome, amazing. Okay. All right. Okay. Guys, Mahima is here. Hi, Mahima.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I am great. How are you?
I'm good too.
Awesome, guys. All right, perfect. So here is Mahima. Mahima is our star PDP trainee, and Mahima, start telling us from where did your journey inside psychology started, for that matter. When did you know that you want to become a psychologist, and throughout that journey, how did you stumble upon PDP?
Okay. So I'm very grateful, first of all, to you that today I'm here and you got me this opportunity to share my journey with you all. And PDP is like a miracle course for me, what I did. And apart from that, I was always a literature student. I always studied English, and it was my passion to study English. And while I was studying literature, psychology was one of my subject in bachelor's, and I find that it's very interesting to find other people's mind and what is going in their minds. And I find it interesting, but then I couldn't pursue it, so I completed my master's in English only due to some reasons. But I was always suffering from mental health, and I was going through some low phases of life, and where my mother was serious and I was going through depression. And that time when I took therapy for the first time and I saw my psychologist, I thought that I want to become psychologist and I want to be like this. So I took consultation from my psychiatrist that, whether I should go for psychology or not, whether I'm ready or not. So that time I was preparing for NET, but I somehow switched my field to psychology. I convinced my parents, I convinced everyone around me that I want to do this, I want to become this, and I want to help everyone because I saw that, how I changed my life and how I healed myself. So I wanted to heal other people too and help them to become better. So this is my journey, that how I became psychologist. And after actually suffering from depression, and my mother, when I saw her that she was suffering from post depression after cancer and how she survived, I thought that I can help other people too. So then I pursued my master's, and after completing my master's, I was literally lost that what I should do now. And I had no idea because I had lot of theoretical knowledge but no practical exposure. And then one day I saw that my one of my classmate that she's taking this course Psyche, and it was in her bio that certified by Psyche. And I checked her profile, and it was completely different what was she was back then in college. So then I asked her, and she gave me a feedback, and I joined, and now I'm here. So it's like a whole process and whole cycle, and I'm now here, and and then I recommended PDP to other people, and now they're grateful to me. And they tell me that, Mahima, you are such a angel for us. And I tell them that, yeah, this process will go on, and everyone will, pass PDP to everyone. But what one thing that I've learned from you is that, how to be so humble, so down to earth, and, how to be always helping towards other people and never keep your, heart behind. So always I carry, my heart wherever I go. So this was my journey.
Awesome, Mahima. So, we do take up multiple courses and programs. What motivated you to invest inside PDP? So, before PDP, what were you like? And, what were the expectations that you came inside PDP with?
Okay. So when I first had orientation call, I thought I'll take it and I'll experience it myself, and then I'll decide whether I want to go for this or not. And after only that orientation call, I was sure that I have to do this, and I have to get enrolled in PDP program, because it is not just a diploma that everyone is providing you. It is something that will actually transform your life. So all the therapies that are there, the community is so helpful, and all the people inside PDP will actually help you. And so I thought that no, this is something, not like a regular course, it is different. And when I experience it myself, that how everyone, no matter, there's no age barrier in PDP. Some people are old, some people are younger than you, and still they are so passionate about being counselors. And when I first joined, I thought I'm so busy, I'm not able to take time for PDP. But when I saw other people around me, they're working women, they're working mothers, they're working also, they're taking care of home, then I thought that why I can't take time out of my such routine, and it is not something that I'm so busy. And they motivated me. Some people, they have kids, and they are, even have their daughter-in-laws, and still they are taking care of everything, still they are taking time for PDP, and the transformation was amazing. So that motivated me. And when I joined, after 1 week only, I got inquiry for a session, and I shared that to you also in September, that I got it. And you didn't ask me to take the session just for money. You said, Mahima, you are not ready right now. Take few therapies and then you can go. And I postponed it, and now I am getting clients, and everyone is so satisfied and happy with my services. And I also felt the difference that before PDP, I was underconfident. I had no idea about how to take sessions, how to talk to clients, how to start the session, and what therapies we can use, and what techniques. And it is not just one therapy that you can use with your client, so it is like a mixture of different therapies that you will apply. So it was like whole another set of different experience that I did. And from September to January, it was, I used to wait for classes that I have to. And sometimes I used to feel that no matter what marriage it is, what, I have to take class and I cannot miss it, because I told my everyone at my family also that this is just for few months, and everything will come. But this I have to, this is my time to work on myself. And when I was in PDP, I didn't take any client, because I thought I want to be first sure about myself. Then I will start. So when I completed my course, then only I started giving sessions, because I thought I cannot be, biased towards my, clients, and I want to give myself best. So I started taking after completing the diploma, and I think I'm very happy also with it, and everyone around me also can see the change.
Wow, Mahima. I mean, we have actually seen you transform inside the program. So I'm really glad you mentioned that whether it is marriage or anything along the lines, you were so committed towards completing the program and attending the classes. So kudos to that. Since so,
Thanks.
Mahima, you mentioned that you first did a master's in English, then you did a master's in psychology, and then you did PDP. So, what made where did the need for PDP come into the picture? Because you'd already done a master's in psychology, which is a 2 years program. So, did PDP add anything new to your current knowledge, or what was it like? The gap between the gap that PDP filled after your master's.
Okay. So, ma'am, while we all, we are studying in college and we go to regular college also, we get lot of, exposure in terms of that meeting new people and learning everything. But we don't, a college system is like that. They don't teach you that how to, actually practice your learning in your, like with your sessions, or if you are working in school. So I did my master's in counseling psychology only because I always wanted to be a counselor. I thought clinical is not for me. And while I was registering for PDP, then also I was sure that I want to be in counseling. Somewhere in my mind was going that, I should go for MPhil and I should be a clinical psychologist also and counseling also. So I'll do both. But after doing PDP, I thought, no, I am meant for this only, and I'm always meant for, counseling. And I used to be talkative, when I was, in my childhood, and everyone used to say, कि कितनी बातें करती है. I thought that I should actually make my problem a profession and I should use it, somewhere, where I can help people also. So I always used to go in NGOs and teach students English. So when I used to teach them English, I found that there were some students that were special children. And I found that, they need special care. From then only, I decided that I want to do something where I can use my English profession also and I can be the counselor. Then I did my master's, and when I was doing my master's, I did a lot of internships at various hospitals, school, but still, all the therapies that I learned, all the techniques and tools that I get from PDP, I got it, nowhere. From even the biggest psychiatric hospital in Delhi, I worked in Abhas Women's, but still there was. I used to see patients, how they are taking sessions, but I used to observe. And while you're observing, you don't get that much knowledge, you don't get that experience. So in PDP, you get to practice, actually practice your therapy on yourself also. You practice on PDP batchmates, and then you know that how things work. So everyone have different issues. Like I have, big issue like procrastination, where I used to procrastinate things. आज नहीं कल करूँगी कल, and I think I've worked 60-70% of this issue in my PDP only, that I am actually taking consequences, that of why I'm not taking actions and what is the consequence, and I know how will I pay for them. So PDP actually gives you exposure where you get experience, and you actually help yourself first. So like I take CBT very seriously, and I loved CBT and art therapy and hypnotherapy. So in CBT, what I used to do, cost benefit analysis I took. That was my favorite. So every client that came, I whatever issue they had, I did cost benefit analysis with them, and I taught them that no matter whatever is going in your life, you have to use this, and you can take your decision. So this was the thing that I applied in my life also. If I'm not doing something, this will be the consequence, this will be the cause. And it actually helped me. And then I personally loved hypnotherapy with the patients that are not anxious, because with anxious people, you cannot perform hypnotherapy. They'll not sit for more than 10 minutes. So, when I actually practice hypnotherapy with one of my PDP batchmate, I found that, they are so much relaxed after the whole therapy. So, I could see the difference in them, and they could also see that how only one therapy, actually changed their mind and how calm they are. So I feel that a few things that I took from all the therapies, and then I use it. And there's still some things that I need to practice it, and I need to see that lot of sessions that are pending from PDP that I have to watch and take them. And graphotherapy also. So I thought that graphotherapy I will gift to my clients free only. So whenever I take session, I ask them for handwriting sample, and then I do their handwriting analysis, and they actually resonated with. एंड क्लाइंट्स को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगता है कि मतलब कुछ न्यू है, तो लाइक अच्छा सच में ऐसे होता है. तो आई टेल देम इट इज सूडो साइंस दैट व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम यू, एंड इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. So they send me, and the feedback they write after it is actually miracle, that they say how it is so true. Then I say it is not just simple logics, it is actually pseudoscience where there are logics behind everything. So even simple slant means something. So this is everything that my entire life is actually changed in these 4-5 months. And I started viewing my life that मुझे कुछ भी करना है, मैं कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस करूंगी, and then I will decide and कि क्या benefits हो रहा है कि नहीं. So even when I did PDP in starting, I did cost benefit analysis mind में. I didn't knew actually कि क्या करना है, but हम सब करते हैं कि क्या फायदा है क्या नहीं है. And there's some people in PDP I see, they say कि हमारे लिए it didn't work and how it works for you. So I tell them also that you have to actually take time. So ma'am is working with everyone. Some people are doing better than me also. So I can see कि उनके साथ मैम ने ज़्यादा work किया. You are giving everything same to everyone, but how you are taking time, how you are actually practicing it, and आप कितना seriously ले रहे हो. So if I think अभी I'm taking 5 clients, अगर मैं ज्यादा सीरियसली लेती और प्रैक्टिस करती और ज्यादा स्टार्टिंग में सीरियस होती, या फिर मैं ज्यादा पोस्ट करूंगी अभी इंस्टा पे, तो आई गेट मोर क्लाइंट्स, आई अट्रैक्ट मोर क्लाइंट्स. So I'm not working that much, so I'm not getting that much. So it's like what you give, you will receive. So I tell everyone, now also some people text me, how is this course? So I tell them that you have to actually work with Vishali ma'am. So Vishali ma'am is ready to work with you. She'll give you more than 100%, but you have to, give your time to her. You should give your time to yourself to work. So then only it will actually help.
Amazing, Mahima. Mahima, what are the results like for your clients? I'm very curious to hear ki, what kind of feedbacks are you receiving? Kuch aisa which has really touched your heart and you want to share with us?
Okay, so one of the client, he's the sweetest client that I had. He tells me that every week he waits for Sunday to have this session with me because he feels better on Sunday after taking session, and then whole week he, goes to work and everything is same. But he waits for this session because he says that every week, whatever I learn, whatever I experience, whatever I share, I feel motivated to go for another week and to actually work on my issues. So when I see that there was difference in him, when before he came there were some issues that were troubling him, and after this, like, it's been now 2 months, more than 2 months that I'm taking this session. So if someday, if some weekend I say that this Sunday I'm not free, then he says that, oh, okay. And whenever I say that we not take session, he'll be like, oh, Mahima, this was the only good thing that I had kept, I'd kept in for my Sunday, and you have cancelled my session, but it's okay, you have other things also. So they understand also that we as clients, as therapists, we also have a lot of things going in our life. But what he said that to me, that actually touched my heart, was that कि मुझे अपने अंदर एक मोटिवेशन आई है कुछ करने की, कुछ आगे बढ़ने की, एंड मैं जहाँ पे हूँ उससे ज्यादा मेरे अंदर पोटेंशियल है. तो आई डिड नॉट गिव एनी एडवाइस टू हिम. He could actually come up with solutions. He could actually come up with ki problem आई क्यों, and how his lens was working. So I felt actually happy, and that client came from the first client, and the first client was actually very serious one, and I thought that no, I cannot take this client, and kaise hoga, and I left it everything on God. But I worked hard with her, she worked hard on herself, and then with word of mouth she referred me to everyone, and I thought that that was something that I manifested, and I attracted. So I remember one day I was talking to you, but ma'am, I'm not getting clients, right kind of clients only. Some people are texting, but just they don't want to take session. So you said that maybe you're not manifesting it right, ma'am. Maybe you're doing something, that is not actually you want. So then I changed my perception, how I want to manifest it. And now, whatever people I'm getting, whatever the clients I'm getting, I'm happy with them. And even if, I have less people to work with, I'm happy that I'm giving quality time to them. And I have whole week to plan the sessions, and, how I have to work on their issues. So every week I try कि कुछ new therapy होनी चाहिए, कुछ new worksheet होनी चाहिए. There should be some new lesson to him. And what will I talk? So that they also get something. It's not just that they are paying money, so it is just 50-minute session. I never keep it to time bound, that only 50 minutes or 1 hour. I give them whatever it takes because I want to see them better. So my whole purpose was to make people better, and how they can actually fix themselves, because we are nobody to fix them. It's like they can only fix them, and we are just here in their process where we can help them to grow. So that was my only purpose, and I think that was served after PDP only because I got the right direction actually.
Wow, Mahima, it's so amazing to see, how you changed your own life in 4 to 5 months, and now you're changing the lives of other people as well. So it's amazing. So, Mahima, tell me, you said that, your life changed in these 4 to 5 months, and it looks like just 4 to 5 months. So tell me more about it. What was Mahima like, before PDP, and what is Mahima now after PDP? Personally as well as professionally, how has your life actually changed?
Okay. So personally, I think in my life, I've started taking my life, from a different perspective. That, I have some purpose. I have to live for my family. I have to do something for them, and I have to do something for myself. And I have to be, independent, because I was always dependent on my parents. So financially, what changed was that now I'm not financially dependent on them, and they're also happy. to see me, that I'm taking clients, I'm earning money. So when I had my first session amount credited to my bank, I was so happy. I shared with my family, and I actually went to temple, and I thank God that this is my first earning, and it was something that I waited for long. So since years I was waiting. When will I earn my own money, and I will actually enjoy my life. So financially, I think a lot of things have changed, and still I have to be better, but still I'm happy wherever I am. So financially, I think I'm independent now. And somewhere I'm not that much dependent on my parents, uh, and I think in personal life, I think I've taken my friendships more seriously. I've कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था they are doing something wrong, ऐसे now I see them from a different lens, कि सबकी लाइफ में कुछ कुछ होता है, they are also going through some mental health issues, सबका कुछ लाइफ में कितना कुछ है, so we should understand them better. And even if some people is going on, and somebody is making past comment on them, so I tell them कि हो सकता है उनके साथ भी कुछ हो, we should not always be judgmental towards it. So I think I'm more uh, open and less judgmental towards people in my personal life than I was in my college life, always judging girls and people, everyone around me. So in PDP, everyone was so like-minded, and I've learned so many things from every one of them. And like every member of PDP member was like very much uh, inspiring and motivating. So even I made so many friends from South India, and I used to say and tell them that no, I'm getting attracted to so many South Indian peoples, and they're so sweet to me. So one day, one mom was telling me that maybe you like South Indian so much that you're getting every South Indian. And I used to do homework with, every week with a different South Indian member of PDP. And I thought that it's so interesting to learn from different cultures, and, how they're working, how they celebrate their festivals, and what is their perspective towards sessions, and, how they take sessions. So it is like from each one of them, you're taking something, and then you are a whole new person.
Wow. So, Mahima, tell me about now. Let's talk actually about the course. So, did you actually find the course practical in nature? Because a lot of people come to me and they're like, "How can an online course be practical in nature?" So they're not able to come out of that barrier. So, would you like to answer to them? Was the course really practical in nature or not?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I think it is the only practical course that you will get here, because it is not something that you sit offline with your cameras off. You have to actually switch on your camera. You have to take sessions, and in breakout room you will like practice it. Whether it's a group, or you are performing it with one person. So it's like you're learning group therapy also, and you are learning how to take individual sessions also. And if somebody's cameras is off, you are actually calling it कि camera क्यों off है. And if कुछ genuine reason है, you are like okay, but otherwise you motivate us to कि switch camera को on करो. So in starting, I remember I was not used to very comfortable, and I didn't switch on my camera most of the times, and used to call my name so many times. And even my brother, my bhabhi, everyone used to say कि महिमा तुझे बुला रहे हैं, and I used to be there and like no, I'll not on. And in later, after a few therapies, I started actually working seriously, and I started I was working it with my cameras on. So it is not something that you are just scrolling through PPTs and you're showing something, and then we are learning. You teach us one therapy, one skill, and then you ask us to perform that worksheet. Suppose cost benefit analysis with we did, you will tell us कि पहले कैसे होगा, and then you'll ask कि हम कैसे उसको perform कर सकते हैं, and you will give one person to me, and I'll actually be the client, and in another role I'll be the counselor. So you'll practice it, and then you'll get the practical exposure. So it is a whole practical course where you will actually learn everything. And in the end of diploma, this course, you'll get all the techniques, all the modalities, and that you will carry it for your life. So like Socratic questioning, I learned it that how our thoughts work. फिर वो thought आया तो क्यों आया, फिर आया तो उसके against क्या reason है, for क्या reason है. And जब मैंने इतने सारे लोगों के साथ practice किया, तो it's on my tips now कि I know कि अब क्या करना है, clients के साथ कैसे लेना है. Because you get so many people to actually work with. In PDP, there's so many members, and every week, every month, there's new PDP, member that is joining this course. So there are new people also, or people also. So there's a like whole mixture of everything, and then you are getting to actually perform with them. So in no other courses I have seen that they are actually teaching themselves, but you don't actually get to practice it. So practice makes a difference, and I think when you actually practice on yourself also, like when I was working on my issues as a client, and the PDP member was my counselor. So I thought कि वो कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, वो कैसे सेशन ले रहे हैं, उन्होंने कैसे अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करी है. So in starting I used to write on my diaries, and I didn't want to share my screen because मुझे डर लगता था कि कैसे स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे. तो मैंने इतने सारे लोगों को देखा, तो when I took my session, it was nothing. I just did it in 1 second. I was like, it is so easy. But it was that fear or something thought in my mind that was stopping me to actually not do it. So I thought कि it's only our thoughts, और अगर हमने thoughts को समझ लिया, so then we know nothing is difficult, and we know how to work on it. So I think this course will actually help everyone, and I know that value of this course because जब मैं किसी को कहती हूँ ना, सब बोलते हैं कोर्स कैसे चेंज कर सकता है. So I think कि you do it and then you only know. So Varsha is also here. So she saw that difference in me, and then she joined this course, and she said that Mahima, मैंने आपके में वो देखा है, so then I joined. So it's like when people actually see the real example, and she was one of my classmates, and she used to help in my class, and she was very intelligent girl. And now when she saw that Mahima is actually a different counselor now, and she also said that what course you did. So I gave her everything that I did PDP and I learned this and that, and now she's also taking sessions, and she's also a wonderful counselor. So that's how you grow. And everyone in that community, we think that कि हमें किसी को आगे लेके नहीं चलना. सो आई थिंक दैट जो भी हमारे साथ है, वी शुड ऑल्सो ग्रो टुगेदर. सो आई नेवर फियर कि मुझे किसी का शेयर नहीं करना. आई शेयर इट बिकॉज आई फील कि जो तुम्हारे क्लाइंट्स हैं, you get it from your hard work and your patience, and from the belief that you have in universe, and they will get from there. So it is nothing that you'll not share. It is something that you'll share, and that a whole like-minded people will actually grow together. So this was my thing that I actually wanted that Vishali ma'am is teaching so many young people, and that people who are ready to work on themselves, and people are also actually from that mindset only. So like-minded people, like-minded people only. So that was my thing.
Wow. Mahima, I think, and everybody who would be watching your interview, there's so much to learn from you. You reflect that complete counselor's vibe. One, two, you're so calm and composed in the way you are speaking, and it's absolutely, I see a whole next level of difference from you saying कि मैंने camera on नहीं करना है, to today you speaking like an expert, a complete expert, which you are now. And just now, what you mentioned, I think it's so beautiful in our community and very rightly mentioned. आपने देखा how Mahima is speaking from a very abundant mindset. There is no fear inside our community ki I have done this course, let me not share it with other people because I want to be the only great counselor out there. So there's so much of abundance mindset that there are so many clients out there. There's enough for everybody, and like she said, ki my clients would come to me and somebody else's clients would come to them. So I think it's a whole mindset shift. So, Mahima, I am very happy to see this, and I think I would also refer to this interview again and again for other people also who want to understand कि abundance mindset कैसे होता है.
Yes.
And it's just incredible.
Thank
I'm so
you.
happy. Okay, my next question is that again about the course itself. That does the course just touch? For example, लोग कहते हैं कि it's 16 weeks. You've done a 2 years of masters, and then एक 16 weeks का program है. So does it only touch the therapies, or do we really dive deeper into it and learn multiples of tools and techniques? तो कैसा है? क्या सिर्फ basic है, or is it advanced? What exactly is the course like?
So, ma'am, I think it is not just a basic course that you do. It is a very advanced course. So, suppose you are doing art therapy, so everything will be covered in art therapy. You learn different techniques, that how you can actually work, on clients that are actually very creative, and they'll find it interesting to do it. So, in art therapy, suppose we are doing it, you learn different techniques, different tools, how you can work on their mind, even if they're children, even if they're young or old. So you'll get lot of techniques, and like that only in every therapy it will be so advanced. And there's not only one technique, there will be like n number of therapies, n number of techniques that you will get, and then you'll get bonus sessions also, bonus therapies also. And then our sessions are not limited only to 2 hours or 1 hour. it is like more than that. So it is 7:30 to 10:30, and sometimes it extends also. So sometimes we are taking, कि आज तो 10 बजे तक होगी, but still, 10:30 तक चल रही है, and किसी को कितनी भी नींद आ रही है, still we all are up because we are so much full of energy that time also, कि we are learning, and हम end तक ले रहे हैं क्लासेस और सेशन, एंड यू ऑल्सो फील कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने जो टाइम दिया उसी पे करना है, यू आर वर्किंग मोर देन दैट, एंड बिकॉज यू फील कि कुछ करा है स्टार्ट तो वी शुड कंप्लीट इट ढंग से, एंड it is not something that you actually sit for 3 hours, 2 hours. You get what you are paying for it. You get more than that. So, like courses that are there in market, I see. In starting I used to see कि कितना ज्यादा पे करा है. Then when I compared कि नहीं यार बाकी courses में सिर्फ एक एक therapy का they are charging so much. Then what you will get end of the therapy only that you will get a PPT that what they showed, and you'll get few things, and you're paying so much but you're not getting everything that is worth paying for. So when I actually started taking PDP, I thought that this is not just a course where you'll only get PDP, PPTs that are in a form of where there's knowledge that is already there on Google. It is something you have actually worked on. So when I see कि आपके हर एक थेरेपी में एक सेशंस में हार्ड वर्क इज सीन, कि आपने कितने मेहनत से सारे टूल्स बनाए हैं सबके लिए, एंड देन यू गिव देम सो दैट पीपल एक्चुअली मेक यूज ऑफ इट, एंड हम उस पर अपना बनाए, एंड वी प्रैक्टिस इट विद आवर ओन नेम. So you don't say कि मेरे वाला ही use करो. You ask us to actually make our own, and actually work on with a different perspective. So it is seen in your session. So first week also you'll see the difference after one therapy, that how you are talking to your clients, and then you're checking everything in breakout rooms. So when you switch to every breakout room and you check we are actually doing it or not, or we are sitting idle, and then if there is any doubt you're there to help us. So I think from that point of view, it is not just an basic course, it is in a whole level of advanced course, and I don't have word better than that advanced, where you get everything. And I think energies are also very positive. So I always believe that energies are transferring, and we are sharing our energies. So some days when I used to feel low, I tell them I'm observing today and I'm not in that energy to actually provide something or give something. I just observe, and even if from your observing as a client, and two people are performing, then also you'll get to learn so many things, because you see कि वो कैसे perform कर रहा है. And if you're not in mood, you'll just observe, and then also you'll learn. So it is not something that you're going out of your comfort zone. It is like, I actually saw that I have shifted from my comfort zone to growth zone. In the first sessions I used to take my classes when I used to sit there on my bed, and then I shifted to chair, and I actually worked on it, and from phone to tablet and to laptop. So it is a whole procedure that I changed in 4 or 5 months. And I used to write it on my diaries, and now I've started working online. I used to keep records now on Word, and I write everything my client is saying. And they also feel that it is very professional when you actually share your screen, and you actually perform some activity with them, and then you're also talking, they're also feeling light. So I think everything, and I also give 10 minutes hypnotherapy at the end of the session, because अगर पूरा वो करेंगे मुझे लगता है तो they'll not feel कि तो बस एक hypnotherapy में लेके गए हैं हमें और बहुत कुछ हुआ नहीं है. तो I think last में जब सब कुछ हो गया है, तो for relaxation you are using hypnotherapy. After 2-3 sessions you're using graphotherapy. So every therapy is used very wisely, कि कहाँ पे क्या क्या करना है. और कुछ लोगों के साथ आप कुछ थेरेपीज नहीं कर सकते. तो आई थिंक कि हम बेसिक लेवल के कोर्स में नहीं सीखते. इट इज वेरी वेरी मच एडवांस लेवल, एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट ओनली 4 months. Sometimes there are break also, so it will actually take 5 to 6 months to actually complete, and then you also give time to complete our homework. तो कभी फेस्टिवल्स आ रहे हैं, हम बिजी हैं, तो यू डोंट से कि अभी करना है. यू हैव टू डू, टाइम लिमिट है ताकि हम वो करें, बट यू गेट एन एक्स्ट्रा टाइम ऑल्सो टू कंप्लीट एवरीथिंग. एंड देन पीडीपी मेंबर्स, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल, क्योंकि किसी भी टाइम मैसेज करो दे विल आंसर यू, दे विल टेल यू क्या है, दे विल सिट फ्रॉम देयर वर्क एक्स्ट्रा कि हम प्रैक्टिस करें होमवर्क. और अगर उनका हो भी गया, देन ऑल्सो दे विल सिट विद यू कि विल प्रैक्टिस इट, कोई बात नहीं, आई विल बी द क्लाइंट. दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स कि मैं क्लाइंट बनती हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो कि जब मैं क्लाइंट बनूंगी So I'll learn from their perspective, and I know I'll work on my issues also. So it is like plus plus only win-win from everything. कि तुम client भी बनते हो, counselor भी बनते हो, and you know you do actually do role play where you learn everything from a different mindset. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब हम बहुत सारे लाइक माइंडेड लोगों के साथ मिलते हैं, यू नो देयर 60-70 पीपल इन क्लास, सबकी नॉलेज ऐड होती है, तो you learn something and then you grow. So I think it is actually very useful.
Amazing, Mahima. Pahava, you can DM us PDP, and that's how you can get the course details. But yes, Mahima, my next question to you is a very simple one-line question. Did you find the course worth the investment? Would it be right to say, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I think it was worth the investment, and now I can actually see that my investment is coming back. And in the starting, when I paid for this course, you actually said it in one line that Mahima, may your investment will be multiplied to you and it will come back to you. And I could actually see it that I'm on my way where I'm actually, and it is not just one time investment. I'll going to be invest in myself for years, and I'll be earning for years till I am here. And what my purpose is to help everyone, so it is not just one time investment that you will get back. Every time you are here till you are working as a counselor, it is something very worthwhile, and you'll always remember it. Like I'll even if you're not in touch sometimes, and I'll be married, I'll be working as a counselor somewhere else, and then also I will tell people that I did PDP at that time, at that age, and so I will carry it with me. And I will always remember that how you helped me. So now if I'm helping someone as a psychologist, they will also remember कि महिमा ने help किया था. They are able to overcome their issues. So that's why I think we are this circle where we are helping other people. You help me to become a better counselor, then I help other people, my clients, and they'll also feel better, they'll also grow. So ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. But what I think is कि it's totally worth it. And when you actually experience it, जब आप खुद करोगे, actually course को feel करोगे, मेहनत भी करोगे, it is not something कि आप कर रहे हो, we actually have to do everything on our own. तो जब हम खुद करेंगे तभी we actually get to experience it that it is actually worth it.
Very nicely said, Mahima. कैसे आपने very beautifully you've described the chain, how your clients will remember you and you will remember PDP. So probably few of the last questions of our this live. Though I want to continue speaking to you, the more I'm listening to you, the more new things I'm also learning. You have such positive vibe that even I am getting, and I think everybody who's here is like glued to you.
Thank
So
you, Anushka.
Mahima, what is your biggest, one takeaway अगर आपको कहना है कि this is something that PDP has taught to me, which I might take it for with me forever. So that one takeaway which you think PDP has given you.
Okay. So I think what I've taken is from PDP is that कि जो भी तुम actions नहीं ले रहे हो, you're responsible for the consequences for not taking action. So suppose कि अगर मैं आज जिम नहीं गई हूँ, तो मैं आज टीवी नहीं देखूंगी, या मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स 1 घंटे के लिए नहीं देखना. So I'll decide. So suppose I'm working on some project right now, and I know कि I have to work on it, and I'm procrastinating it. So I know कि जो भी action मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ, उसका consequence I have to pay. सो आई डिसाइड कि आज मैं वॉक पे नहीं जाऊंगी, एंड जब तक मैं वो काम नहीं करूंगी आई नॉट एक्चुअली फील द फ्रेश एयर. तो जो भी तुम्हें काम नहीं कर रहे हो उसके लिए कॉन्सिक्वेंस सेट करना. जैसे आई थिंक आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम पीडीपी कि जिस भी दिन मेरे को जो भी मैं काम के लिए प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रही हूँ, तो आई नॉट गेट दिस थिंग. सपोज आई ईट चॉकलेट एवरी डे, और मैंने अगर ये नहीं करा है, आई नॉट गेट दैट चॉकलेट. सो व्हाट इज द थिंग इज दैट कि तुम जो भी काम कर रहे हो ना, उसके लिए थॉट्स तुम्हारे लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. व्हाट आई थिंक इज, और अपने थॉट्स पे कैसे काम करना है. तो मैं पहले अभी अपने आप पे काम कर रही हूँ, थॉट्स पे, कि मैं कैसे दूसरे लोगों को बेटर कर सकती हूँ. तो पहले मेरे को अपने ऊपर वर्क करना था, एंड देन आई वांट टू एक्चुअली हेल्प अदर पीपल. सो what I did is कि पहले initially मैंने sessions नहीं लिए, and I was not ready. And one day I shared that with you, and you actually motivated me, with whole community that महिमा कल 12 बजे से पहले post करना है, ठीक है. And I was thinking कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैं को नहीं कर सकती, मैं नहीं करना. And then you said कि you have to do and give yourself a time कि 12 बजे से पहले करना है. So one of my PDP friend, she actually called me at 10 कि महिमा let's come on Zoom, we'll sit and we'll actually do कि आप post करो. एंड आई वाज फीलिंग कि मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मेरे को नहीं करना। एंड शी सेड वन थिंग कि महिमा, आप सबके सामने बोल दिया है, यू गिव कमिटमेंट टू मैम, यू डू इट, यू कैन नॉट यू नो टेक योर वर्ड्स बैक, यू हैव सेड इट, सो डू इट। इतना वो नहीं है। एंड आई थिंक अगर मैं उस दिन पोस्ट नहीं करती और माय फ्रेंड अमिका को मुझे नहीं मोटिवेट करती, तो मैं आज तक भी वो सेशन नहीं कर पाती, और विशाली मैम मुझे टाइम लिमिट नहीं देती, तो मैं 12 बजे तक वो नहीं पोस्ट करती, एंड आई नॉट गेट दैट client that today I'm taking from that one post. So I think everything is that you actually get that push कि एक इंटेंशन सेट करनी है कि you could see कि इतने टाइम से महिमा पोस्ट नहीं कर रही है, एंड why she is not able to do, जब सब कुछ ठीक है, तो जस्ट अ थॉट, मुझे नहीं करना है, बस एक वो थॉट था। यू वर्कड ऑन माई थॉट, यू टुक एक्चुअली पूरा वो सेशन मेरा, यू टुक इन दैट in front of everyone, and I could see कि मुझे करना है। And I think every one of my friend from PDP, everyone is responsible for this Mahima who is sitting here, because हर किसी का कुछ ना कुछ role है, so I'm not taking names of everyone in live this here, but हर किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ contribute किया है in my journey in every way. And I might also have helped them, but what they have said, तो मुझे वो मैंने अपने साथ लिया, एंड आई फील कि जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, एंड हम यूनिवर्स को जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड यूनिवर्स गिव्स यू बैक। So I think I was always giving that love out there. I was not receiving it, and now I have received it in another form in this PDP community. And still everyone is connecting to me ki Mahima kaise? And when this course is over and I was repeating one therapy, and everyone saying that we missed you, Mahima, and I had no actually words कि I was missing classes, कि कितना ज्यादा मुझे दोबारा से वो nostalgia feel हो रहा था after taking the classes, कि कितना मजा आता था क्लास में। You actually get ready, and I used to feel कि क्लास है, no matter what I'm wearing, I have to get ready, I have to dress well, and then I'll set कि class है तो I have to be कि confident लगना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I have to get ready and I have to be there and on time. So 7:30 I feel कि मेरे को ready होके पहले बैठना है, and I'll decide my clothes. So I was so excited for everything, and today also I was asking mom कि मैं क्या पहनूं, मुझे क्या पहनना है. So I think everything that is there is actually to make you better. So PDP is not just for therapies. Even if you want to become a better person, you want to help yourself to heal. It is something that you learn. And I always wanted to upgrade myself in terms of courses and in terms of knowledge. So I used to think कि मुझे ये भी सीखना है, ये भी सीखना है, everything. And then when I was on my break, I thought after masters for 1 year is just for me. I'll not work. I'll only upgrade myself with new therapies, with new knowledge, and then I'll, decide my niche where I want to work. So in that year, and in that 1 month break only, कि August में masters हुई, in September in my birthday month, I got this PDP gift, to myself कि, this is something कि कुछ universe का connection है कि सितंबर में ही मैंने देखा पीडीपी का, एंड सितंबर में रजिस्टर करा, एंड इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ इन सितंबर ओनली. सो आई थिंक कि मेरे को जो ब्रेक मिला 1 मंथ का टू थिंक अबाउट इट, एंड देन यू केम एज मेरेकल कि मैं कैसे करूं. तो वो पूरे जो 5-6 मंथ्स गए इन प्रोसीजर, आई वाज एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि why I'm not working, I'm not actually doing something for myself, why I'm sitting idle. So I used to say ki I will tell, and time will tell. So I was waiting ki I'm working on myself, and I will actually work when I have all the knowledge, I have skills with me, all the techniques with me. When I'm confident, then I'm ready to actually go out in world and to be the psychologist Mahima, and to actually start my own private practice. So I think this whole procedure is only possible because of PDP community, Psyche community that is there, and everyone of in Psyche is so hardworking. Even if that networking team is there, they're so hardworking. They're actually pushing us to do so many things. And I was the lazy brat, I know, and still I am so lazy, but still I think you guys pushed me so much to actually be here. So like for this live also, 3-4 days ago, Shabnam ma'am was texting me, and I was so lost somewhere, and so many things were going on. But then I thought, no, I had made a commitment. I will be here no matter what. And they were pushing me actually to be. So I know that even if there are some things that you are lacking, there will be people around you to push you to go ahead. So this was it.
So I I think back to the answer of my question, I think the answer is not that you learned this particular concept. It's that you got a friend like Amik, which is, I
Yes.
think, your biggest takeaway from PDP. So
I think yes, you have said it right. Yes.
that's why Amik also mentioned I'm gonna be there for Mahima's live and I'm so excited for it. Okay, now I get the connection. I didn't even know that she helped you. So kudos to you, Amik. So proud of you. And I think it was a selfless act she did for you,
Yes, ma'am.
which is amazing. Wow.
And she
Awesome, Mahima.
actually
So,
called me also when I had my first earning. So when I shared it on group, this is my earning for the first time, and she actually called me कि महिमा कैसा रहा, how you're feeling, to congratulate. I was thought कि ऐसे friends मुझे कभी college में भी नहीं मिले, and she is just my friend from an online course. So it was, I think कि online course नहीं है, it's something else that is there. कि people are actually happy for you. And then she said that मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं. She said you have one session, I'm so happy for you, you'll get more. And I was asking her कि how you are doing. So मेरे को कभी ऐसे नहीं लगा कि और मैंने उससे जो सीखा आर्ट थेरेपी, बिकॉज शी इज अ वेरी ग्रेट आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट, कि हाउ टू टेक लर्निंग फ्रॉम, शी नेवर सेड नो कि मैं ये नहीं सिखाऊंगी. शी विल ऑलवेज बी लाइक ये सिखाना है, एंड वॉट एवर आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू एंड अदर पीपल, आई यूज टू शेयर इट विद अदर पीडीपी फ्रेंड्स. सो आई थिंक कि यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई भी ऐसे माइंडसेट से नहीं आता है कि देयर इज जेलसी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और कि कोई ज्यादा अर्न करेगा हमसे, या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे सब लोग सभी को देख रहे हैं उसके पास ज्यादा होंगे. So it is something ki you are growing as friends, you're growing as community together, and growing as psychologists की community. यहाँ पे सब एक दूसरे को help करना चाहते हैं.
wow. Now I'm actually looking for a live with you and Ameek together. मतलब या तो you both take it
Perfect.
together yourself and share the link with me. Or I really want to see, because I think you both are incredible psychologists and world needs to see more of you. So I am very
Perfect. Thank
proud
you.
of this. Amazing, Mahima. So, what other questions do I have? Perfect. So, Mahima, now that you are done with PDP, you're taking clients. So, can you tell everybody, like, how can they get in touch with you? What type of cases are you currently taking, and what is happening?
Okay. So I'm working online only, and I take people with clients that are suffering from overthinking, or there's some issues like anxiety is there, or they have mood fluctuations, or ki mood depressed hai, or they are going through something, their personal issues, relationship issues hai. So I actually work with their issues where they can actually help better, and they know कि प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन लेंस से देखने के लिए. सो इट इज नॉट समथिंग कि प्रॉब्लम आई है एंड यू ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉब्लम. सो जो प्रॉब्लम है हम उस पर क्या सॉल्यूशन देख सकते हैं. सो विद द सॉल्यूशन फोकस थेरेपी कि हम सॉल्यूशंस पे फोकस करते हैं, एंड क्लाइंट विल कम अप विद द सॉल्यूशंस, एंड दे विल नो कि उनके लिए क्या बेटर वर्क करेगा, क्या क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज हैं. एंड people can connect me, or they can DM me on Instagram only for the sessions. And I think everything is here very on a comfortable basis, कि म्यूचुअली डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्या टाइम उनको डिसाइड करना है, क्या किस टाइम पे हम फ्री हैं. म्यूचुअली यू सिट टुगेदर and you actually work on their issue. So first session is free, where it is a documentary call where you'll get to know their issues, and they'll know, and ki you both are perfect fit or not. And then if the clients likes you, or your first session, they'll continue with you. And then next session, the second session will be paid session, and from there the procedure will start. So I think किसी का भी कुछ भी issues होता है, mostly 4 to 5 or 6 sessions of maximum we cover up, and then we terminate it. And मैं ऐसे रखती हूँ कि फिर then it is like 1 month में एक बार या 2 बार, and then 2 months में एक बार, so that client actually वो कर रहा है कि नहीं. And then if they're okay, so they can take follow up in 6 months or no. And or if they're okay, then they are free to actually help them, because now they know कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो ऐसे वर्क करना है. सो दे विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट, और उनको पता होगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ हुआ है तो ऐसे करना है. तो दे विल बी लर्निंग एवरीथिंग themselves only. तो उनको दोबारा से अगर नीड नहीं है तो दे विल नॉट कम. सो आई थिंक आई एक्चुअली फील कि कोई भी बेटर होता है. सो नो एट सम पॉइंट आई एम एक्चुअली हीलिंग माई सम पार्ट, कि किसी में कुछ भी बेटर होता है तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरा कुछ पार्ट हील हो रहा है या कुछ बेटर हो रहा है. एंड आई गेट दैट ब्लेसिंग्स आल्सो फ्रॉम क्लाइंट्स की and doing something कि you're not taking any negativity from your client. There is always this thing कि लोगों को लगता है कि हम सेशन लेते हैं तो कितनी नेगेटिविटी आती है सामने से, या उनके कुछ इश्यूज है. आई थिंक ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. यू शुड नो कि कितना आपको लेना है, कितना नहीं लेना है, कितना प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर. स्टार्टिंग में आई वॉज नॉट वेरी प्रोफेशनल एंड आई यूज टू थिंक कि I have to be more professional in terms of time, in terms of talking. So now when I take session, it is only you are taking sessions, you are working on their issues and it is not personal more than that. And you are actually giving out something कि clients को लगता है कि जो pay किया है, it is worth it. And they feel better. तो मेरे को लगता है कि कोई किसी का कुछ भी ठीक होता है, they are happy. तो मुझे कितनी blessings मिल रही है, कितनी यूनिवर्स से और कितनी पॉजिटिविटी आ रही है और एक एनर्जी हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं. So whenever I'm low, I don't take sessions. I'm feeling, not well or something. Is I tell them that I know I won't be able to take session. I'm not feeling well, so that कि मैं वो नहीं दे पाऊंगी तो मेरे को नहीं करना है. कि जबरदस्ती नहीं है कि सिर्फ पैसे के लिए यू आर टेकिंग आउट सेशन. तो जब आपको ठीक लग रहा है तब आप सेशंस लोगे. बिकॉज आई थिंक हम रेसिप्रोकेट करते हैं, जैसे हम देते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अपना बेस्ट देना है एंड जब मैं दे रही हूँ तब मैं बेस्ट दूँ. अगर मैं नहीं ठीक फील करती तो इट्स ओके. आई शुड टेक ब्रेक्स ऑल्सो इन बिटवीन. एंड आई थिंक काउंसलर की कम्युनिटी में देर इज वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल टाइमिंग्स ऑल्सो कि आप अपने टाइमिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क कर सकते हो. So even if you're working, you'll get time for your private practice, you'll get time for your therapies. So it is very flexible, profession also, and it is not something which is very negative. When you help everyone to fix themselves, you also fix yourself in that procedure.
How does your family feel about all of this new Mahima, all the change that has been, and what an incredible professional counselor you have become? So, what is their perspective?
I think my family is very happy with me, and when my family actually sees me working, so one of my day, because brothers are like that कि वो हमेशा they pull your leg कि वो मजाक करते हैं and they always motivate you to do better. तो ऐसे कि सेशन चल रहा है, ऐसे क्या सेशन चल रहा था तो he said कि अच्छा वो तेरा सेशन ले रहे हैं कि तू उनका सेशन ले रही है, they are actually listening to you. तो मैंने बोला नहीं नहीं मैं उनका सेशन ले रही थी. I was like I can't believe that this Mahima who was always so जो चुलबुली सी थी और हमेशा अपनी मस्ती में रहने वाली और इतनी बातें करती थी, she could actually, and जो इतनी सैड भी थी कभी एक टाइम पे, she could actually become psychologist. और वो उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि you have made your problem your profession only, so it will actually help you. And you have seen people from both the lens, because one time I was a patient, so I know how it takes to be a client, and now when I'm a psychologist, so it is like I'm working with both the lens ki I know how it feels to be in there, how it feels to be going through so many emotions at the same time, and how other people help you. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैंने 2018 में वो एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट को देखा और उसने मुझे हेल्प करा उन्होंने, तो मैंने उस दिन से डिसाइड कर लिया था. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ यूनिवर्स आल्सो शिफ्टेड फॉर मी. सो फ्रॉम बीए इंग्लिश ऑनर्स टू एमए इंग्लिश ऑनर्स एंड देन टू एमए साइकोलॉजी, इट्स अ होल डिफरेंट प्रोसेस. की एंड पीपल मुझसे पूछते हैं कि शिफ्ट क्यों करा, एंड आई टेल देम कि लिटरेचर इज स्टिल माय फर्स्ट लव, वो हमेशा से रहेगा. बट now psychology has also come, so there is no comparison actually. English और psychology में difference क्या है, क्यों करा. मैंने इसलिए करा बिकॉज मैंने खुद को देखा वहां पे एंड मैंने सोचा कि आई शुड ऑल्सो हेल्प. और जो मैं एनजीओ में करती थी कि इन बच्चों को देख के कि मुझे कुछ देना है वापस. आई वांट टू ओपन माय ओन एनजीओ समडे, आई वांट टू बी द काउंसलर. सो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि मैं टीचर के साथ और क्या कर सकती हूँ कि इनकी काउंसलिंग हो. एंड देन आई थॉट कि कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. सो everything changed from actually preparing to PhD and then actually doing again master. So my mother was saying कि ना टीचर बन रही थी पेड वाली, and now she I don't know कौन सी फील्ड में आ गई है. she is doing MA counseling psychology. So she used to say कि डबल मास्टर्स कर रही है बट पता नहीं क्यों. And now she is very happy and she confidently says कि मेरी बेटी psychologist है. And she is actually happy कि जो मैंने decision लिया, it is not something wrong. I want to upgrade myself with the counseling skills, so I did it. I always wanted to learn. I had that time, and my family had no pressure. They always said कि पढ़ो जितना पढ़ना है. There is no pressure from my family कि शादी करनी है कभी, कि जब करनी होगी you already tell us. तो फैमिली की साइड से प्रेशर नहीं था मेरे ऊपर कभी, तो मैं इसलिए पढ़ रही थी। तो अभी भी मैंने, अब नाउ लास्ट ईयर आई टेल माय ब्रदर, आई टोल्ड हिम कि मुझे ना पीएचडी करनी है। तो ही सेड कि पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ना है कि सिर्फ जॉब नहीं करनी है तो पढ़ना है। तो बट हाँ, यहाँ माइंडसेट मेरा गलत हो रहा है। आई शुड ऑल्सो वर्क, आई शुड गेन एक्सपीरियंस, एंड देन इफ आई हैव टू डू सम टाइम पीएचडी तो आई विल डू इट। तो आई थिंक माई फैमिली इज द बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर टुडे, एंड हमेशा से माई ब्रदर हेल्प मी, एंड ही वॉज एल्डर ब्रदर। तो being 7 years elder to me, he used to always motivate me, push me, and even if he's scolding me, तो मुझे उस टाइम पे बुरा लगता था कि कितना गलत कर रहे हैं, डांटते हैं। मैंने कहा मम्मा क्यों इतने बड़ा आपने भैया किया, एंड नाउ आई फील कि ही वाज राइट। अगर वो नहीं करते पुश तो कभी भी मैं ऐसे नहीं बनती। तो आई थिंक ही इज मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल, एंड ही वॉज ऑलवेज माई बिग डैड फॉर मी, बिकॉज माई डैड वॉज ऑलवेज बिजी इन वर्क, सो ही यूज टू बी वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, क्या पढ़ रही हूँ, एंड हमेशा से। तो I think they are very happy to see me working to actually take sessions, and they are actually very proud of me also, and वो proudly सबको बोलते हैं कि मेरी बहन psychologist है, किसी को session लेना हो तो बताना। So I think it is very proud feeling for me also कि everyone is happy around me, and even my friends could also see that.
Wow, Mima. I am so very impressed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Awesome. So, my final question to you is, Mahima, what would you say to anybody who is looking forward to join PDP or wants to become a confident counselor? उन्हें PDP क्यों join करना चाहिए?
ओके, तो आई थिंक इतना तो सोचना नहीं चाहिए। यू शुड सिंपली जॉइन पीडीपी इफ यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, एंड इफ यू वांट टू चेंज योरसेल्फ, एंड यू वांट टू बी इन दैट लाइक माइंडेड कम्युनिटी, कि जहाँ पे सब लोग इतने हेल्पफुल हैं, सब लोगों के अंदर इतनी नॉलेज है, हर कोई इतनी डिफरेंट फील्ड से आया है, और हर किसी को अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड देन विथ योर एक्सपीरियंस एवरीवन इज लर्निंग। एंड इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू लर्न प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर, जिसमें आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है अपने ऊपर, दूसरों के ऊपर, एंड यू वांट टू बी द कॉन्फिडेंट काउंसलर, एंड यू वांट टू, if even if you want to start your own private practice, then you can actually enroll for this course where you learn so many things, कि अगर आपको कैसे काउंसलर बनना है, एंड इफ यू आर चेंजिंग योर फील्ड स्पेशली, तो हाउ यू कैन लर्न। बिकॉज जब मैं भी इंग्लिश से उसमें किया, साइकोलॉजी में मैंने स्विच, तो आई हैड नो आइडिया कि साइकोलॉजी में कैसे होता है, क्योंकि हमेशा से आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी लिटरेचर। तो जो भी प्रैक्टिकल मैंने, मतलब थ्योरेटिकल सॉरी, पढ़ा कॉलेज में, मुझे यहाँ पे जो सीखा या फिर इंटर्नशिप में, वो बहुत डिफरेंट था। तो इट वाज समथिंग कि जहाँ पे मैं लॉस्ट थी, आई कुड वर्क। सो if you're somewhere lost in your journey, you're switching your field, or even if you're from psychology and you don't know how to go ahead, सेशंस कैसे लेने हैं, टर्मिनेट कैसे करते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कैसे स्टार्ट करें, और कौन कौन से टूल्स यूज कर सकते हैं। सपोज कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ सीबीटी का कोर्स कर लेते हैं, एंड दे विल ओनली अप्लाई सीबीटी, तो आप हर क्लाइंट पे सीबीटी यूज नहीं कर सकते। और एक टाइम के बाद, 2-3 सेशंस के बाद क्लाइंट बोर हो जाएगा कि काउंसलर सेम ही चीज बोल रहा है, सेम ही बात कर रहा है, सब कुछ सेम है, कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं है। सो दे ऑल्सो वांट कि कुछ न्यू हो। सो हेयर इन 12 therapies you learn so many new things, so many new therapies, and आप सब कुछ अपना एक मिक्स करके एक हाइब्रिड थेरेपी बना के, and you actually perform to them कि आप सब कुछ यूज कर रहे हो, they are also helping, so you're not restricting yourself to one therapy कि आपने ये पसंद है बस एक ही करिए। यू विल यूज एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, एंड आई थिंक कहीं पे भी अगर किसी को समझ नहीं आया, तो यू शुड नॉट टेक टाइम टू थिंक, और टू मैनिफेस्ट इट एक्चुअली राइट कि मुझे क्या करना है। यू एक्चुअली थिंक इट कि दिस कोर्स विल चेंज योर लाइफ, नॉट जस्ट फॉर सेइंग इट। आई हैव एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस इट, एंड मैंने अपने आप को देखा है वो, देन ओनली आई एम सेइंग, एंड आई रिकमेंडेड कि कितना हेल्पफुल है, and how you can actually grow. And also, if you want to be financially independent, उस mindset के साथ, there is abundance only. So you'll know the therapies, you'll know the techniques, and you will apply it. And even if, like, it is my dream to open my own clinic someday, and to actually taking clients, so now I will have so many techniques and tools to actually have it with me, where I can take clients, and I'm not restricting myself to earning कि इतना करना है. It is so much financial abundance is there, and everything is so much in your favor only, and it will be worth it. So whatever you are paying for it, you get it back, and in back in the sense ki kitna वापस आएगा, you can't even imagine, and you'll not even know. So it depends on just yourself कि आप कितना मेहनत करते हो. So I think this course will actually change you.
Thank you so much, Mahima. It was so lovely speaking to you. I feel like it was a complete hour of positive energy. Lots of talks about abundance. Hearing about your energy, I believe it takes a lot of courage. Transitioning your field one, and that too double masters. And then upskilling yourself with PDP and everything. And I am beyond impressed and happy to see how much you have transformed over the months.
Thank you,
Perfect.
ma'am. And you
Anything
can
else that we
also
missed out
see,
on? Hmm.
uh, sorry, ma'am, to interrupt. So you could also see we started at 7:30 and it's all 8:30 now. And हमें टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला. तो क्लास में भी ऐसे पता ही नहीं चलता कब 10:30 हो गए. And you actually wait for that day कि कब Wednesday आएगा, कब Saturday Sunday आएगा, and you actually perform it. And sometimes my mother used to say इतनी लंबी क्लास चलती रहती है, ऐसे थोड़ा होता है कि इतनी चलती रहेगी, ऐसे कौन सी रात तक क्लास हो रही है. लेकिन आप सच में आके देखो. और मैं उनको दिखाती थी कि देखो आपकी एज के कितने लोग हैं, कितना वर्क कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ सीखो. रहते हैं कि वो एजुकेटेड होंगे, वैसे कर रहे हैं. तो आई कुड सी, मैं उनको बताती थी कि नहीं मम्मा, सब अपने टाइम से निकल के बैठते हैं काम करके, सब इतने मेहनत करें. तो नोबडी वाज रेडी टू बिलीव इन स्टार्टिंग, बट लेटर दे नो कि ये लेट ही फ्री होगी तो उसका खाना रख दो एंड देन शी लीव. सो इट्स लाइक यू विल एक्चुअली बी सो हैप्पी फॉर दैट टाइम कि कब क्लास होगी, एंड टाइम का पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड दिस कोर्स जब मेरी लास्ट क्लास थी, सो आई वाज सो इमोशनल, where I was happy also that my course over, and I actually completed this diploma. और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं कैसे करूंगी. And I was emotional कि दोबारा से नहीं होगा. I won't be able to meet that people. वो क्लास में breakout room मैम को, and when ma'am used to scold us कि कैमरा ऑफ क्यों करा हुआ है. तो आई थिंक वो सब नहीं होगा, बट स्टिल you'll be a new person, and PDP हमेशा आपके जर्नी में रहेगा. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ, आपको कहीं से निकलने के लिए जाना पड़ेगा दूसरी जगह, तो ये ओवर हो रहा है. बट आई वाज फीलिंग एक्चुअली वेरी सैड and happy also at the same time. So I think this is very emotional feeling also. Now when I'm talking to you, I know that I actually received that positive energy from you, and now I'm transferring it and sending it to everyone out there that is watching this live, and everyone who is there in this universe. So I think it is something that I have learned from you only, and I'm thankful to you कि मतलब आपने मुझे कहा था एक बार कि जो क्लाइंट्स के साथ सही वाइब्रेशन नहीं आए, नहीं अच्छा लगे, मत लो. तो मैंने हमेशा जो मुझे नहीं लगा कि ठीक है, आई सेड नो, कि नो आई वोंट बी एबल टू टेक योर सेशन. सो दिस आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू कि you're not enrolling everyone in PDP जिसके साथ आपको सेम एनर्जी, सेम वाइब्स आती हैं. you think that person is right, fit for this course, then only you enroll them. So it is that also कि एक mindset की बात है. And I think I'm so thankful to whole Psyche community and whole team of Psyche that works with you, कि आप सब लोगों के लिए कितना मतलब मेहनत करते हो कि हम एक्चुअली अपने आप को बेटर कर सकते हैं. So I think thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Mahima. It was so lovely speaking to you. I really wish that from here you reach much higher heights. अब फिर से मेरे पास आओ after a few months कि ma'am, I have done this thing, and we interview you again because you are literally
Yes, ma'am.
inspiring so many people out there. There are so many people जिनको लगता है there is no scope in psychology, there is no actual practical training without MPhil. Then there are people who say कि अच्छा, even if you become a good psychologist, there are no people out there. So today, with your example, you've broken all those myths down, and I think everybody has to see you as an inspiration. So
Yes, I'm so happy.
thank you so much, Mahima. And Amik, you missed it. We had a complete conversation on you. Now you watch the recording again. Thank you so much, guys. And finally, we will wrap up our this session with Mahima. We are interviewing Dr. Mamta 5 minutes from now. So you can also come back, bring your dinner, and listen to our chit chat further. And anybody who wants to enroll in PDP, guys, all you need to do is DM us PDP. So when this live will be uploaded, आप उसके comments में DM PDP लिख सकते हो, or you can also DM us. And it's not a program where you just, you come in and you ask for payment details and all of that. There's a proper screening process. When you pass that, that's when you get the details of the program. And if you are looking for a therapist who can actually help you, there is nothing better than a PDP trained counselor, which is my personal belief, a biased one. But I know कि 4 months ये लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, they given day in day out, they're working on their own selves, they're working on each other, they are preparing themselves to serve you the best, and now they're getting such amazing feedbacks. So I think if you're looking for a good counselor who can help you with the concerns that Mahima mentioned, you can reach her out at Metamorphosis by Mahima or Therapy by Mahima. That's the
Yes,
simpler
ma'am.
one.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Mahima, for taking out your time. Pay my regards to your parents and family as well. I'm so glad they supported you throughout this journey. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.